Hello, I'm Mike Robinson from the law office of Michael Robinson. My amazing team and I have 2 locations in the greater Rochester and Finger Lakes area, and all we do is provide education to the public about their estate planning options and offer to help them put together a plan that best addresses their and their family's needs. We know the reason most people don't have an estate plan or have an outdated one is because they just don't know what the options are and who to trust. Our solution to that is to offer fun, free educational workshops on estate planning. We love meeting everyone, and there's no obligation to actually do your planning with us, but it helps if you know what you need and what to take care of. Check out our schedule. We only get to certain parts of the area a few times a year, so don't miss the workshops that are most conveniently located. Believe it or not, we make the topics of death and taxes interesting. You get to meet new people, enjoy some refreshments, and laugh a little while you learn. Don't miss the next workshop. Click the link below to look at our workshop schedule.